right, so we have arrived at the Deseret Industries, also known as the DI, and this is one of my favorite times of the week. It's always different. Sometimes we pick up our usual things, but we almost always find something new and interesting.
And I was like, hey, we just cleaned out the back room. Let's buy some more stuff to fill it up again. Just kidding. We also did just get done picking up a awesome sprouter that I found on the marketplace. It's an antique sprouter. I've never seen anything like it. It's got this cool glass top on it, and I think that it'll be great for display in the shop, and maybe somebody will buy it.
Yep, I'm sure someone will. Someone will love it.
This is why you always bring a Zeb with you when junking. I've got the glass.
Can you all tailgate?
I can get the door. Hold on, let me push a button. There you go. So we just purchased an antique sprouter. We thought it was a pie safe, but found out it was a sprouter, and it's really cool. It's got glass in the top. It'll make a great display piece, and the missing piece is right here, so we'll just have to reglaze that in.
Not a big deal.
I paid $200 for this sprouter.
It's a little more than our usual picking budget. Like, we sometimes go a whole week without spending $200 on junk.
But it's cool. I've never seen something, and it's from back east, so it's a kind of antiques that we don't normally get here. In my shop, it'll sell for about $400, so just like a double markup on that. And that's about what market value is for it anyways. And, you know, if it's too rich and nobody wants to buy it, then maybe it'll come live at the farmhouse.
Or it'll look cool in the shop as a display for a long time.
Whatever. Anyways, let's go shopping.
One of the reasons we like this thrift store so much is because it is busy. They've only been open like half an hour, and the parking lot is already 3/4 of the way full. So they switch stuff out a lot, and they get a lot of donations too. So it's a real nice place to just find lots of goodies. The first find is in the basket.
Look at that inlay, that's pretty.
Everyone's busy cleaning out Christmas decor right now. They have got a ton of decorations here right now at the thrift store.
I'm gonna get this because Debbie says I need things to stage, like to raise things up with, and this is the pedestal. When she came to my shop, it's the number one thing. She's like, everything's flat, so this will help raise stuff up.
Hey, what do you think of these little salt and pepper shakers? Little wood ones?
Those are cute.
Little, 75 cents, and I dropped one, so now we're buying them.
Oh, these are cute.
Do we need a bag of pine cones for next year? Too soon?
I'm not quite ready to talk about pine cones yet. I usually am not in the mood to buy any more Christmas stuff until
I kind of like
summer.
this print just by itself.
No.
No? Come on, we could paint the frame white. Oh, it's $5. We'll probably only get 15 for it. Those are fun little wreaths. Is it not a wreath? Oh, it's like a garland. Is that too woodsy?
Too brown.
Too brown?
I was hoping they had some better foliage, but I'm not seeing anything.
I saw these here last week.
Yeah, that's...
And I was like, oh man, I want to be by a pond. What's that dish there? You see it?
This one?
Yeah.
$2?
Is it glass? Cool. Yeah, that'd be cool. Sometimes we grab those in their plastic. Oh, I like this too. That mercury glass?
I mean, it's not real. It's like a candle holder, but I think it's cool. I like it.
We have enough of these glass containers. That one's kind of small.
Like some glittered jar. It's kind of fun. I mean,
Glitter jar? No, let's put the glitter bomb jar back.
This is a little mini baby crock. I think it's cute.
Yeah, I don't mind the
flower on it.
Yeah, I was gonna call it a print, but it's not a print.
Handmade in Roseville, Ohio.
Do it.
1 pint.
I'm gonna go down the metal aisle. Recipe boxes, yeah. $1. We'll go run these by Jami. She just got something very similar to that. So what do you think of these ones? They kind of match the other one, but they're not
These
old.
don't have any wear, and I like the age on this one, so those are a no.
No on these ones, no age. What about this? Here, grab that pen out of my finger. What about that?
No, that's just like cheap, not brass or anything. But I did find Japanese stoneware, floral expressions, stoneware Japan. Is that upside down? No, it's not.
No.
It's got this cute little design on one side. These are always really popular. Personally, this design is not my style, so I would display it that way.
How much is that?
$2. And then I found a Fiesta Wear gravy boat in white. It's got this little chip on the bottom.
I'll sand it, it'll be okay.
And it's just barely, you can barely see that it's Fiesta, but it's the lowercase f, which means it's vintage, and it's white Fiesta Wear, which kind of lends itself to people that collect Fiesta Wear and people that collect stoneware. So I'm gonna grab that. There's more of this, but I feel like there's so many pieces of this, I'm kind of over it.
What's that face you're making?
It's my picking.
That's your thrifting face?
It's my thrifting face. What face are you making? I'm looking. Doing a visual surveillance. Dang it. Oh, that's made in China.
I'm gonna head over and look at those bigger pieces of furniture and head out to the yard.
All right, I'll come with you.
Well, that's already set up for shelving. How are Art Deco waterfall dressers selling these days? No? This one looks like it's in good shape. But they want 40 for it. Too much? It's got all its hardware and the drawers are in good shape. They're dovetailed.
People just don't love them here. You couldn't keep them in stock, and now people just don't love this style.
We've moved away from that style.
They do make it nice if you want to do transfers or something because they've got a nice flat surface, but it's not my bag.
Whew. That's a little steep for me. This looks older. So this looked like it was old, but this is MDF top. It's not as old as it looks. It's a replica.
Pair of lamps. I'm always looking for twos. These will look really good on the buffet because we had a pair and they sold.
Any clocks? Any cool clocks? You know I love clocks.
I know, but we have a whole bunch of clocks you ain't done nothing with.
I know we have those two that I need to fix.
Restriction.
I'm on clock restriction, no. But I like this colonial clock. It's only $2, I'm doing it.
Oh, okay, fine.
We made it to the yard. More clocks. Look at 3, 4 of them.
Cold out the yard.
It is cold out here. Any floral you can't live without?
No, I don't see any.
Little metal tin.
$2.
Jami says this is too lacy, but I think it'll look okay with a shirt on it.
We have enough mannequins.
Do we?
Yes.
All right. I have a clock problem. Jami has a mannequin problem.
But I can admit when I have a problem.
Can you?
But
But what about your lamp situation here?
just put it in the cart. So I know we have a lot of mirrors, but we don't have a lot of small mirrors.
All right, I'm carrying the lamp and we are making our way out.
Thanks for carrying the lamp.
That's what I do.
Thanks for following along with us on our Friday thrift haul. Some of the stuff you'll see on Saturday, we'll also have a bunch of new stuff, so make sure you're checking us out on Saturday nights for our live thrift hauls. Be sure to visit JamiRayVintage.com for all your paint and product needs, and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more.
DIY.
Bye guys.